Hello, welcome to a new session of Shulagna's Bioblog. Today I will discuss about inorganic phosphate. Phosphates are vital for energy production, muscle and nerve function and bone growth. High phosphate level is a sign of kidney damage. This is used to determine whether our body is getting and using calcium in the right way. Issues related to calcium can be a sign of low vitamin D concentration, or they may include bone problem. Low phosphate level may indicate hyperparathyroidism, a condition in which the parathyroid gland produces too much parathyroid hormone. Calcium and phosphate react in opposite ways in our body. As blood calcium level rise, phosphate levels fall. Symptoms: loss of appetite, anxiety, bone pain, fragile bone, stiff joints, fatigue, irregular breathing, irritability, numbness, weakness and weight change. These occurs if phosphate level is low in our body. If phosphate level is high in the blood, it is known as hyperphosphatemia. Determination of inorganic phosphate or inorganic phosphorus. The specimen is serum or lithium heparin plasma. Hemolysis must be avoided. Then method. Formation of an ammonium phosphomolybdate complex. This is done by reaction of the phosphate with ammonium molybdate, and the product will be ammonium phosphomolybdate, and we will measure the intensity of this complex ammonium phosphomolybdate at 330 nanometer. The normal range of phosphate in plasma: for child it is 4.5 to 5.5 mg per deciliter, for adult 2.7 to 4.5 mg per deciliter. For 24-hour urine, the normal range is 0.4 to 1.3 gram per day. Clinical significance: low level of phosphorus in our body indicates lack of vitamin D. That means vitamin D is not synthesized properly in our body, or vitamin D deficiency due to some another reason. Then not getting enough phosphorus in the diet, that means malnutrition or deficiency of phosphorus in the body. Alcoholism, alcohol intake may be an important source. Hypercalcemia, that means the calcium concentration in the blood is high. And high level of phosphorus or inorganic phosphate in the body indicates hyperparathyroidism, hypocalcemia, diabetic ketoacidosis, liver disease, dietary problem and certain medication. If you like the video, then please click the button and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.